A decade of excellence. The story of Jendamark India is the story of New India, a success story which brings the advantage of technology and people.
I'd just like to say that this is a very auspicious occasion for Jendamark Automation. I know my partners back home share the same pride that I have shared with you guys here this evening. It's been an amazing 10 years journey. It's been difficult at times, but ultimately very exciting, very successful. And I'm so happy to be able to extend our Jendamark vision of Odin not only to the technology partners that we have and customers for building assembly lines, but most importantly, to be able to share it with the children of India, the underprivileged children in the rural areas. And it's an amazing platform to really change the country's future. Thank you very much.
While it's been a wonderful decade, I would like to talk more about the upcoming decade, the future. Many times I get asked this question, what's the future like? And I wish I had a straightforward answer that I could tell you precisely what we are doing in the next decade. But to be honest, I can't. But what I can tell you, what we will definitely be doing is investing a lot of time, resources in innovations.
Jendamark people bringing together the technology companies, our clients, the suppliers together in one room and also demonstrating the capabilities and showcasing the state-of-the-art technology that which has actually led Jendamark to this end. I think it has been a journey of perseverance by the founder, and I think supported by a whole host of the leadership of the Jendamark group, who have been very inspiring in ensuring that they meet the targets they achieve despite facing various challenges.
I think in general, everybody in Jendamark is really passionate about what they do, and they believe that what they have to offer is the best for the customer, and they can give value to the customer.
For Asia India as well as for Asia globally, we are connected with Jendamark since many years. We are taking their canning solutions, automation solutions from a long time, and I am proud to say that what they deliver is not only a solution but also a lot of value-added services which are extremely important for our company and our business.
Today we had an event where some of the students from our schools in rural India have come here to talk about their aspirations, their dreams, their journey. What we do through Odin Education is that we connect the children with the rest of the world. We empower them, we give wings to their dreams. And this cannot be a one-man mission. So I am very thankful to our current corporate sponsors, and I look forward to more and more people joining us on the journey.
खूपच लय आवडलं. मी इथं बघितलं, इथे एक मशीन चालू आहे. हे मशीन कधी थकत नाही, रुकत नाही, ह्याला कोणतीही अडचण नाही. मला हे मशीन खूप आवडलं. अगर हे मशीन सगळ्या कंपनीमध्ये असले की सगळ्या कंपनी एकदम भारी चालेल आणि इव्हेंट बी भारी आहे. आणि मी इथे बघितलं तर लय माणसं होते. माणसं मला आवडले. मी स्टेजवरती येऊन काही घाबरलो नाही. म्हणून मला कधी असं विचार नाही आलं की मी घाबरू. मी जे बी आलं बिनधास्त बोललो, मी कधी घाबरलेच नाही.
I think time is value, and today at our 10th anniversary celebration at Sayaji, we really like to thank all our customers and our clients to be a part of this momentous occasion and it has been a beautiful journey for us, but it surely wouldn't have been possible without our customers and our clients. So thank you so much.